Hey everyone, happy Sunday wherever you are around the world. Thank you for tuning into Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider hitting that red subscribe button. And now let's get right into today's topic, daily update regarding Pepe, to see what exactly has changed compared to yesterday and where we could see the price going as we do go further into this upcoming week ahead of us. So if we're looking at the price of Pepe, let's see the change first on the daily time frame. So it's up about 2.5%. Remember, the entire market right now is in green, which is great to see. But as far as the price of Pepe goes, it's currently sitting at 895,375, still about 7 zeros in front of the price, but it is up about 2.7% over the last 24 hours in all three comparatives: USD, BTC, and ETH. Looking at its market cap, though, it's currently sitting at $377.4 million, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 55.5 million. What exactly is next? Are we out of the woods now? Is this a time where we should be getting excited? That's what I'm going to be talking to you guys about today. But before we jump into the charts, as always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the holder count, you guys can see we are starting to see a little bit of an uptick, especially after that massive decrease in the holders. We know what happened. Pepe community has come out. I'm sorry, not the community. The Pepe team has come out and kind of shed some light onto why that really happened. And if you guys missed that, about $15 million worth of Pepe was dumped on the markets on several exchanges, and that was an inside game. So that really kind of explains as to why we did see this massive decrease in the holder count, but we're starting to see an uptick happen once again. So we will definitely take that. Looking at their Twitter, on the other hand, still no other new tweet after the August 25th, and this is really starting to tick me off, in my opinion. They need to learn, and I don't think these guys are learning, and this is a big thing that I'm kind of not a fan of, and I've literally said this from the beginning. Tweets do matter. Some people think they do not matter. Yes, they do matter, because they show these developers or whoever's running the back end is not lazy. Engagement doesn't take too long, but you need to be repetitive in terms of engagement and kind of putting these tweets out, because if you get too comfortable, let me tell you, there will be another project in the future, or it could be launched out of thin air, just like Shiba Inu and Pepe were, with maybe a bigger utility than we have ever seen that could take Pepe's spotlight. So I really don't like how these guys are taking their sweet time to start engagement. You can see August 25th. And the craziest thing is, now you may be saying, oh, they did tweet. Remember, some massive negative news. They obviously told about that. Some people that were part of the Pepe team did not have the best intentions, and sold about 15 million worth of coins. So if that's the case, wouldn't you want to really rebuild that trust between your followers? Big red flag once again in terms of engagement. But community is doing all what they can do, and this is nothing to the community. The people that are followers of Pepe, they continue to really back the project, especially the ones that believe that this could potentially be that next big meme coin. But if the team doesn't pull their weight, then this can affect the project, and I've said this literally from the beginning, and I'll continue saying that. So if we're looking at the price right now, we did see a little bit of a bounce within the price. We did see the price drop down to that 7749 cents. That wick did not last too long, but if you manage to have some orders filled in around there, you're already up about 15%. But right now, once again, we are sitting at the most important levels for the price of Pepe. We do need to see the price push back, especially above this 9811 cents mark, in my opinion. That is a huge level of resistance that's coming on the way. Maybe potentially, if we were to break out of that resistance, we might see a repeat of June 22nd price. You guys can see when we broke out of there, we did see the price really see a massive explosion. So we could see something similar happen. But like I said, we need to see the price actually go above that level of resistance. That's the safe spot. If the price is unable to hold above that, then there's still a chance that we could be sitting. We could be heading more to the lower side. And I know no one wants to hear this, but on the Crypto ZX channel, I keep it 100%. If I think it's bearish, I'm going to say it is bearish. And right now, obviously, this little bit of a bounce is great to see, but at the same time, it's very critical levels of support where we're currently sitting at. Bitcoin, on the other hand, has seen a little bit of a bounce, which of course is having a nice impact on majority of the altcoins, as you can see for yourself. Altcoins are in green. Dominance has, pretty much stayed around the same spot, so not much has been happening on that. But the reason as to why we're seeing this little bit of a bounce within the cryptocurrency markets is because Bitcoin has seen a little bit of a bounce right now. Hopefully, the best case scenario would be is for Bitcoin to reclaim back into the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, and that would be the best case scenario, because right now still we're sitting at some very, very important levels of for Bitcoin. And if 25k were to be lost, we could be in for one of the biggest shakeout of the year, in my opinion. I think 22k would be that last support potentially for us to retest, but like I said, we will see what happens. If 61.8 comes, that would be, of course, a great thing to see. But let me know about Pepe, what you guys are thinking right now. Do you guys think that Pepe has lost its confidence of a majority of the investors, or do you think it will be able to make a massive comeback? In my opinion, Pepe will be able to make a massive comeback, and the reason as to why I'm saying this is because it has that first mover advantage as far as this bull cycle is concerned for meme coins. We have seen majority of the big boys in terms of centralized exchanges come and list this, and a lot of people are talking about Pepe, so that is huge. But speaking of, remember how I said people are doing, so when I say people, I mean people that are invested in Pepe, people that like the project. These guys are doing everything they can. But on the other hand, the team needs to pull their weight. And that is a very important thing that I want you guys to keep in mind, because at the end of the day, Pepe has no utility. It's a meme coin, right? And for a meme coin, you need to see engagement happening. Who knows, in the future might be great. And I honestly have been saying from the beginning, I think Pepe could be one of the big players in terms of meme coins this bull cycle. But if the team is not going to pull their weight, this will hurt them. This will definitely hurt them, and that's just that. But like I said, let me know down below what you guys think right now. Do you guys think that Pepe has what it takes to make a massive comeback in terms of, proving other people wrong, especially myself, as far as the team is concerned? I know the community is doing everything it can, but like I said, this needs to be worked on, but I want to hear from you guys in the comment section. So that is it for today's update. Like I said, still very important levels of support. I do want to see the price above that 9.4 mark, and then we will see what happens from there. But thank you so much for all your support, each and every one of you guys that have been absolutely killing it with the support from the beginning. Love you all, and I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.